Alright, YouTube, see John's Customs back there. Check it out, check it out. Real, I can get this all done. So, what we're gonna do right quick, it's a quick process. So, as you see, what you are looking at is the BRP wheel hub covers. And it's weird because they come from the dealership with just this cover, and I'm gonna pop it out. So pop this out. I painted mine red, of course, but anyway, you got left side, right side, and then you got but that's how they come. Like this piece here is extra, and let me get it out. Get up in here. I need to get my. Just trying to get my little. This real quick. Get my flat head and pop that out right quick. But anyway, like I was saying, y'all, you got this piece here. You had to order and buy separate. Like, forgot where I got them from, but like this is all that comes on there. So you still can get water in there and everything rust out and the whole nine, just like that. So, what I want y'all to know is that I got these new 3D joints. Like I was showing y'all earlier. The new 3D joints from my guy Chad at Ranger Crafts on Etsy. So they come with your Allen. This is a 4. So I'm gonna pop that good side in, and then this side I screw in. So it sits, and then if you see this indentation on the bottom like that, if any water gets in here, it will simply come out. So the water will come out, just so y'all know. And let me get this side in. Boom. So, man, if you don't think that look good, something wrong with you. And this locks in. So you take that Allen and you're gonna screw this in and lock it in. But like I say, with the way Chad has this all set up, all you're going to do is it still keeps water from getting in. Like this is a complete cover. And I'm simply just, tightening down real good. It does not move. And there you have it. There you have it. Super C. All over this bike. You know what it is. So get rid of the little BRP factory joints. I probably keep them. I'm sure I'll just hold on to them. I don't typically throw stuff away because if something happened, you need backups. So those will be my backups. But for now, you see what it is. Got those, and repeat the same process on the other side. So I'm gonna remove this screw. As you see, the indentions on the bottom. And I'm gonna get this other side in. Just the same way, y'all, as we move right on over to this side. Pop this out. Boom, that one just came right out. But anyway, as you see, that's how these things go. Take my screw out of there.
Power off.
I'm gonna pop that, like you guys see. And you give it a little push on the inside so that it gets in there. And then it's a simple, put your screw in, tighten that up a little bit. I'm gonna take my that Allen and give it just a little more. And there it is, y'all. Simple process. Simple process. And you see it up close and personal. My wheel hubs, the covers from Beranger Crafts. Beranger Crafts has done it. And as you see, that's the old from BRP. So out with them. Take a look. Let me know what you think. Super C in full effect. C Jones Customs. Comment, like, subscribe. It ain't stopping, y'all. It ain't stopping. Been doing this. This is 2020. Been doing this since 2020. But this the first videos that y'all seen coming out. But I got everything. So, hit me up. Let me know what you think. C Jones Customs. Out.